Question number 27, again UPSC CSAT 2024. A question is given followed by two statements, first and second. Consider the question and the statement. Question is, what are the values of m and n where m and n are natural numbers? Statement first says that m plus n is greater than mn, where m is greater than n. The product of m and n is 24. This one is the second statement. You have to tell the values of m and n, means you have to tell the exact value of m, you have to tell the exact value of n, you have to tell the exact value of n. See, statement number first, it says that m plus n is greater than mn, where m is greater than n, m is greater than n. So we have many values which satisfy this statement. Here how I have to take m greater than n. If I take m equal to 2 plus 1 is greater than 2 into 1. See, 2 plus 1 is 3 and 2 into 1 is 2. As you know that 3 is greater than 2. If I take it n is equal to 1, 3 plus 1 is equal to 4 and 4 is greater than 3. I can write infinite values which satisfy this relation. So if I have infinite values of m and n, so how I can tell you the unique values of m and n, means statement first is failed. If I move to the second statement, what second statement alone says that the product of m and n is 24, means m into n is equal to 24. See, m and n are natural numbers, means they are complete numbers. How you can write 24? It can be written as 24 into 1. It can be written as 12 into 2. It can be written as 8 into 3. And it can be written as 6 into 4. So what I have? If I take m is equal to 24, then n is equal to, if I take m is equal to 24, then n equal to 1. If I take n equal to 24, then m equal to 1. Means this condition will tell me two values of m and two values of n. Again, this one will tell me the two values, because here if m equal to 12, n equal to 2. If m equal to 2, n equal to 12. So second statement also fails to tell me the exact value of m and n. If I add these two statements, if I add these two statements, so what I get from the first statement, I will get that m is greater than n. M is greater than n, so I can take these values, these four values only. Here m is equal to 24, n equal to 1, m is equal to 12, n equal to 2, m equal to 8, n equal to 3, m equal to 6, n equal to 4. In all these four multiples, we have m greater than n. Again, we have also condition m plus n is greater than n. If I take the value here 24 plus 1 is greater than 24 into 1. See, 25 is greater than 24. Means this statement clarifies m and n. If I take any of the statement, if I take second statement, if I take second multiple, if I take this product here, 12 plus 2, 12 into 2, 14 is less than 24. And what I have to make, m plus n is greater than n. So I will not take any of the values here. All the values are false. Where how? Here m plus n, 8 plus 3 is 11. So 11 should be greater than 8 into 3, that is 24, which is not possible. All of us knows that 11 is not greater than 24. So we have exact value of m and n. M will be 24 and n will be 1. So the question can be answered using both the statement together, but cannot be answered using either statement alone. Option C is the correct answer. Next.